Hello and welcome to Olympiad tutorials. I am Aparna Adhikari and today in this session we are going to study few questions on the reasoning topic and the pattern series. I hope by end of this session you will be able to solve maximum questions from the patterns and this will be helpful for you in your different competitive exams. Okay, so let's begin with today's session. So this is our first question. Which of the following options will complete the given pattern? Here a pattern is given 6F, 10J, 14N and 20 and so on and then 22V. So if you observe them, so here the first number is 6 and the alphabet associated with it is F. Then we have 10 and here you have J, 14 and N. If you have a close look at this series, 6 plus 4 gives you 10, 10 plus 4 gives you 14. Similarly, for the alphabets, F plus 4 will give you J and J plus 4 will give you N. So it's quite simple here that the answer will be 18R. 14 plus 4 is 18 and 4 letters after N is R. So here our solution will be 18R. Find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the three figures. So here you can see some numbers are there in the figure. That is, now here after closely watching this pattern you can see 4 into 7. If you see the first pattern, 4 into 7, that is 21. 21 into 6 is 168. Similarly, in the second picture, 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 27 into 5, that is 135. Similarly, 8 into 2 into some number will give you 112, that is 8 2s are 16 and 16 into 7 it will give you 112. So here your answer is going to be 7. So select a figure from the options which will complete the given matrix. Okay, here you can see a matrix type of picture is there. So if you have a close observation, you will see that option number D is your correct option. This picture is going to fit in this blank space of this matrix. Okay. Next question. Select a figure from the option which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. So again here, if you see this picture quite closely, you'll observe just the position of these two symbols have been shifting. So obviously it's very clear from this that your option number A means this pattern is going to just repeat here. So in these kind of problems, what you have to do is just thoroughly look at the patterns, or you can say the symbols which are given in the picture, just how they match, go on matching it. Then it's going to be quite easy for you. Again here you have a pattern of a picture here, and if you have a close look at this, then you can see here the option number D closely matches with this missing part. So here your correct option is option D. Now here find the missing character if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So in the first column you have P, Y and W, then you have T, L and U, and in the third column you have 36, 37 and a blank space. This is your column wise, and again if you see there is some relation row wise. Column wise I don't think so there is going to be any relation, but column wise row wise you'll definitely find. So if you see the alphabet series and assign the numbers, like suppose A, B, C, D and so on, if you just assign 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way, the value of P will give you 16. and the value of t is going to be 20. So it's very clear. If you just do p plus t, you will get the value 16 plus 20, that is 36, which is our first row. Okay. Then similarly y and l, if you see the value of y, that will give you 25 plus the value of l, that is 12. So you will get the value 37. Similarly, for the last row, you can see W and U. So the value of W is going to be 23 and the value of U is going to be 21. So ultimately, you are going to get the answer as 44. So here your option number B, 44, is the correct option. So here you have the next question. Study the given pattern carefully and tell the number of dice in pattern number 20. So in pattern 1 you have 3 dice, pattern 2 you have 5 and pattern 3 you have 7. So here just you can see there is a relation of, just a minute, let me select a pen. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 1. So here you can see this relation is observed, 2 into 1 plus 1. So you get the answer 3. In the second one, you can see 2 into 2 plus 1 will give you 5. Similarly for the third, 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. So here the values 1, 2 and 3, these are nothing representing the patterns, pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 3. So what they have told you, pattern number 20. So just you have to replace that number, 2 into 20 plus 1 will give you 41. So pattern number 20 is going to have 41 dices. So 41 is your correct answer. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. So here you have a number series 5, 11, 23, 47 and so on, and the last number in the series is 191. So here if you closely observe, you can see that 5 into 1, sorry, 5 into 2 plus 1. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1, that gives you 11. Similarly, 11 into 2 plus 1. So 11 2s are 22 plus 1, that is 23. So this is going to be a relation. So 47 number into 2 plus 1, that is going to give you 95. So here your correct option is going to be 95. Very simple question. So next question, find the missing figure in the given figure matrix. So here you have a picture pattern, and then if you just have a close look at it, you will see that your option number C is going to fit in the missing place. Okay. In these kind of pictures, you have to just observe the lines which are striking through the objects or the pictures. Okay, very closely if you have a look, these pictures are going to be quite easy for solving. So next question, find the missing alphabet in the given alphabet pattern A, F, K, P, U. So very easy this is. So A plus 5 will give you F. A plus 5 will give you F. Similarly, F plus 5 will give you K. So if you just go on proceeding, U plus 5 will give you Z. So this is quite easy. So here in this you can see there is a pattern of alphabets printed, and this is from a piece of torn paper. So there are going to be multiple number of rows, out of which 5 are visible here, but as the picture is a bit torn, so here even the fifth row is not very clear. So in the first row you can see there are 2 elements, in the second row you have 4 elements, in the third row you have 6 elements. So here I have written the relation. So it's quite easy that for row number 13 you are going to have 2 into 13, that is 26 elements. So here your option number D is going to be the correct option, 26. So find the missing figure in the given figure matrix. So here you have a missing pattern in the last box. So if you have a close look at this, you will see that your option number B is going to fit here. So here again select the figure from the option which will complete the given figure matrix. So again, if you just have a close look at this, you will see your option number C is going to be the correct option. Just have a close look at the pictures. Which of the following options will complete the given pattern? Here you have a pattern H7, K11, N15, Q19 and so on. So just if you have a close look at this, you can see the alphabet series. If you suppose say H, K, N, Q. So here there is a relation of plus 3. H plus 3 will give you K, K plus 3 will give you N and so on. And for the number series you have 7 plus 4 gives you 11. 11 plus 4 will give you 15. 15 plus 4 will give you 19. So similarly your final answer is going to be, here you have T23. So T plus 3 is W and 23 plus 4 is 27. So here your answer is going to be option number A, W 27. So very easy series it is. If you just go on practicing in this way, I don't think so you are going to have many problem while solving it in your competitive exams. So here again you have a picture pattern, and if you have a close look at it, you will see that your option number B is going to fit in the missing place. So B will be your correct option. So find the missing number. Here again you have to follow certain rule in order to find the missing number. So here if you see the inner circles, they are having numbers 7, 8, 5 and 9. So just we'll see one relation there. So 7 into 8, just a minute. 7 into 8 will give you 56, and 56 plus 1 will give you 57. Okay. Similarly, 8 and 9, if you consider 8 nines are 72, 72 plus 1 will give you 73. So this is your relation. Here you have 8 into 9. Similarly, if you see this part, 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 1 will give you 36. So now for your answer you have 5 into 9 will give you 45, and 45 plus 1 will give you 46. So here your option number C, 46, is going to be your correct answer. Which of the following options will complete the given picture pattern? So here, if you have a close look, then your option number D is going to be your correct answer. Next question, find the missing number if a certain rule is followed, either row wise or column wise. So here you can see a certain rule is followed. So quite easily you can just point out, if you see the first row, 4 into 4 plus 3, if you see 4 plus 3 will give you 7, and 7 into 7 will give you 49. Here you have a complete first row. In the second row again, 2 plus 7 will give you 9, and 9 into 9 will give you 81. So similarly, 9 into 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 into 10 will give you 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So here your correct option is going to be option number A, 100. Then again in the next picture you have, there is a missing part in the figure matrix. So here if you have a close observation, you will see that your option number B is going to be your correct option. So as I am giving you the questions, you can just pause the video and you can solve it yourself and then check it with my answers. So here find the missing alphabets in the given alphabet pattern. Here you have alphabet pattern, that is A B C X Y Z, A B C X Y Z, then A B C and then X. So your option number D is going to be your correct option here. Next question. Here again you have three elements in one pattern, that is BV9, DU12, FT15, HS18. So now just we are going to find the relation. B plus 2 will give you D, then B minus 1 will give you U, and 9 plus 3 will give you 12. So this is going to be your relation. So we'll just check it for the next one. D plus 2 will give you F, then you have U minus 1, that is T, and 12 plus 3, that is 15. So we got. So now it's quite easy to estimate what will be your answer. So here your answer is going to be option number C, that is H plus 2, that is J, then S minus 1, that is R, and 18 plus 3 will give you 21. So your correct option will be JR21, option number C. Very easy question. I hope so you are also solving along with me. In which of the following options will complete the given figure? So here if you have a close look at it, you are going to find out that your option number D will be the correct option. The next question, find the missing number in the given number pattern. 176, 161, 146, 131 and so on up to 101. So here you can, if you just subtract it, the next number from the previous one, so 176 minus 161 will give you 15. Then again 161 minus 146 will also give you 15. So here what you have to do, you have to just go on minus 15. Minus 15 you have to do, forgetting the next number minus 15. So 131 minus 15 will give you 116. Then again 116 minus 15 is going to give you 101. So here your correct option is going to be 116, option number A. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have any queries you can write me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so in future whenever I upload any video you will get the notification of it as early as possible. So we'll get in touch in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.